We're gonna use these for skewers for dinner tonight. Hey everyone, welcome to my backyard here in sunny San Diego. It's all about grilled food on sticks. Today we're doing kebabs with all sorts of international flavors. We're making Persian meatballs, tandoori chicken, Mexican shawarma. Let's get to it. One of my favorite global foods on a stick, it's kubide, or basically a Persian style meatball that we're gonna cook on this skewer, kind of like a sword. Start by using some ground beef, turmeric, which is such a trendy ingredient right now, right? It's good for you. Powdered garlic, salt. Add some sumac. It's got a tart, dried berry sort of flavor. It's in a lot of Middle Eastern food. Grated onion, an egg, black pepper. Mix up our Persian style meatball. Just put it on our sword. We want to make sure that the grill's nice and hot. You can see I got some flames working right there. Smells delicious. Persian cucumbers, garlic yogurt. So it's gonna complement these skewers perfectly. That's the start of our awesome food on sticks. Pork al pastor. Traditionally, it's on a large spit. We're gonna start with a little bit of pork loin that we've sliced very thinly. Marinate it in chilies, achiote, which is what makes it very red. A little bit of salt, black pepper, cumin, coriander, and garlic. So I wrap the pork up in the plastic wrap and I let this sit. The longer I let it sit, the more the meat's gonna stay together so that I can create what we have right here, this mini cylinder of pork pastor. I'm gonna pop some onions and pineapple on here with a skewer and throw it on the grill. This smells so good. I'm making one of my favorite dishes, tandoori chicken. So we're gonna start with boneless, skinless chicken thighs, some Greek yogurt, and we're gonna add some tandoori spice, and then very simply, I'm gonna marinate my chicken thighs in this tandoori yogurt. This is one of those things you could do it in a plastic bag and let it marinate overnight. And the reason I'm using 2 skewers is to keep this nice and flat on the grill. We're getting ready to eat. We're gonna do potatoes and rosemary as a classic combination. What I have right here is some tiny little potatoes that I've just boiled in water so that they're very, very tender. And we'll put like maybe 3 potatoes on each branch. Lather these up with a little bit of butter and garlic. This is getting me hungry. It's time to eat.
Good.
So good. Nice and juicy. It tastes really good.
This is my favorite one right here though. Using nature's skewer and the rosemary that's in the yard or our neighbor's yard. Happy summer.
Happy summer, everyone.